Redawn International manufactures colloidal silica-based liquid hardener for commercial multi-level parking spaces, warehouse, factories concrete floor. The planning of warehouse concrete's compressive strength and abrasion resistance for forklifts movement, foot traffic, and material handling equipment is important during design stage. These commercial activity carry out and supposed to be done with increased performance of employed manpower and equipment and peak working hour after commissioning of project. As all the commercial activity run inside of warehouse or outside of warehouse in all the busy hours, so greater performance required for heavy material movement from the concrete floor. Company offers Redawn Hard colloidal silica-based liquid hardener, one-time treatment for the life of your concrete floor. Redawn Hard colloidal silica specially designed for binding loose calcium hydroxide, calcium carbonate, unreacted silica and alumina available from the cement, fly ash composite present in the concrete. Before choosing dust-proofing and densification products, some question maybe arises into the mind of prospect user, architect, consultant and builders. These are the some frequently asked questions to take fast decision. Why are Redawn Hard important for the life of concrete floor? Concrete is moisture-containing product at all the time. In the presence of concrete moisture, atmospheric carbon dioxide penetrate and dissolve with it, and a new type of detrioting material, carbonic acid, forms. This carbonic acid-base reaction are responsible to break down the molecular bond in the concrete's top surface over the time period. This slow damage named as carbonation. Carbonation problems also happens due to unreacted fly ash, calcium hydroxide and due to calcium carbonate. Loss in pH of concrete results damage to the floor's top wearing surface. Where required abrasion-resistant properties in the concrete for heavy material movement. Where required clean space condition over the concrete floor for maintaining better hygiene in the inside environment. Redawn Hard colloidal silica is colorless, ready-to-use liquid hardener, dust-proofing, abrasion-resistant, homogeneous solidifier. Active chemical works on two concepts. First is absorption and second is sorptivity. In absorption process, concrete absorb liquid chemical with their absorption capacity and reaches deeply in the concrete and reacts with available calcium hydroxide particle to form regular CSH solid stone-like particle for bridging the gap between concrete's inner transition zone. In the second process, chemical deeply penetrates through the capillary suction method in the concrete and makes inner polymeric chain reaction to dissolve the unreacted alumina and silicacite in the new type material called polysilate, polysilate disiloxo and some other important complex polymeric chain. Material that absorb in the concrete through absorption and sorptivity process crystallizes in the inner transition zone of the concrete. Over the time period, these crystal converts into solid form as losses the water molecule and reacts with other available material. In the picture you can see the difference between non-treated and treated sample when tested with electron microscopy. This product can be applied after 28 days of complete hydration of cement in the newly laid concrete. For old floor it can be applied at any time. For better performance it can be used with conjunction of dry shake hardener also. Soundness of concrete should not be at minimum level, it should be checked prior of application in the site visit. Permeability is controlled by capillary pores in the concrete and also depends upon many other factors. These are water to cement ratio, age of concrete, placing and compaction method, degree of hydration. In general, the higher the strength of cement paste, the higher the durability and the lower is the permeability. This is the responsibility of site engineer to take care concrete's quality for avoiding expected future problem. These mistakes happens during concrete pouring, placing and finishing time, which will not visible during construction time but results in form of damaged concrete during service tenure. Redawn Hard colloidal silica is the one-time treatment for the life of concrete floor. Increases the concrete abrasion resistance over concrete floor when compared to non-treated concrete floor. Economical over the life of concrete floor and provides user to less maintenance as compared to non-treated concrete floor with other available product options for floor protection such as epoxy and polyurethane coating. This is non-layer forming product and do not tear as compared to epoxy layer over heavy movement or due to moisture. This is a good choice over epoxy products when color requirement is not mandatory. Redawn Hard has very less chances of delamination because it becomes concrete's integral part. Most demanding application area are automobile manufacturing unit, warehouse concrete floor, commercial parking, railway platform area, retail store and textile units. This product can be used over concrete with 3 available finish. In cream finish product used with light sanding of floor by diamond PVC pad from 200 number to 3000 number for getting final finish. In pepper salt finish concrete sanded with 60 number to 100 number diamond PVC pad firstly and followed by 200 number to 3000 number PVC pad thereafter. In exposed finish as name speaks concrete surface cut by the metal grit 30 number, 60 number, 120 number and followed by diamond PVC pad from 30 number to 3000 number. Sample method statement should be approved by the client for getting final finish and escaping future confusion. Some of our esteemed client where we have served with our product and services. For more details about the products and service related contacts us on below given address.